What was it, Mom? Did you dream more
More. More than a dream.
about Larry?
I was fast asleep. And remember the way he used to fly low past the house when he was in training? When we used to see his face in the cockpit going by? That's the way I saw him. Only way up there, where the clouds are. He was so real I could reach out and touch him. Suddenly he started to fall, crying, crying, Mom, Mom. I could hear him like he was in the room. Mom, it was his voice. If I could touch him, I knew I could stop him. If I could only. I came awake. And it was so funny. The wind was like the roaring of his engine. I came out here and I must have still been half asleep because I heard the roaring of his engine like it was going by. The tree snapped right in front of me. And I came awake. See, I told you we shouldn't have planted that tree. I said it in the first place. It was too soon to plant a tree for him.
Too soon?
We rushed into it. Everybody was in such a hurry to bury him. I said not to plant it yet. I told you we had other things that we needed to get done because
Mother, Mother, the wind blew it down. What significance has that got? What are you talking about? Mother, please, don't go through it all again, will you? It's no good. It does not accomplish anything. I've been thinking, maybe we ought to put our minds to forgetting him
uh, that is the third time that you have said that this week.
because it's not right. We never took up our lives again. We are like at a railroad station waiting for a train that never comes in.
And ask for now.
Sure. And let's break out of this, huh, Mom? I thought the four of us might go out to dinner a couple of nights. Maybe go dancing out at the shore.
Yeah, fine. We can do that tonight.
Swell with me.